In this video, I demonstrate how to fine-tune GPT so that it answers precisely in your style, tone, and format. In our latest videos, we showed how AI agents can automate email replies, which turned out somewhat generic. By fine-tuning, we can tailor these responses to match your style and draw from past interactions, even suggesting viewers check out our free YouTube content. I'll show you how to do it step by step and where you get the code to do it yourself. Let's dive right into step 1, preparing the data. First, we create a virtual environment to separate the dependencies from each other. Next, we install the OpenAI package. We create a new file named app.py. We import OpenAI. Now we create an OpenAI client. Now we want to upload a training dataset to OpenAI. For this, we call client_files.create and pass the JSON data as a parameter. We specify fine-tune as the purpose. To see if the process was successful, we output the response. In our file with the training data, we follow the format specified by OpenAI. Let's dive into understanding the expected format. OpenAI offers an example that merits closer inspection. To do this, we'll create a new file named example.json and insert the provided example into it. Upon examining the first example more closely, we discover that it anticipates 3 distinct entries: the system role, a sample question posed by the user, and the answer that would be provided by GPT. We start the fine-tuning job itself with fine-tuning jobs create. As a parameter, we pass the training file ID that we received from the create method above. As a model, we choose GPT 3.5 Turbo. Now we can already start our fine-tuning. And we can already see on OpenAI under the fine-tuning tab that a new fine-tuning job has been started. With a few minutes of patience, we also see that the job was successfully completed. Overall, the training took about 15 minutes. Time to try out our new model. We use the same system prompt as in our test data. And we ask, how does Crew AI improve meeting preparation? The response comes promptly and is no longer the standard response that GPT would otherwise give. In particular, the end, don't hesitate to ask, and as an alternative, have a look at our free videos on YouTube. Okay, now we naturally want to also check the result on the console. We use our client and can utilize our new model from code via chat completions create. We specify the name of the model and set the system role as before. Then, as the user role, we ask, what can I expect learning in the Crew AI course? We are eager to see the result of the completion. And here again, the result is individual and follows our training. Perfect.